Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Now today we have the Apple 3rd generation AirPods. I'm gonna tell you guys my little experience with it these past, couple of weeks, I think it was, since they came out. So right now the AirPods are $175. We already know that price is not dropping, so that's what it is, $175 right now. So here goes the little case, and it looks nice, it looks slick. The AirPods, they look, like the first ones with a little upgrade to them, I'm gonna put them in, give you guys a nice little ear test. Now, what I will say, they feel nice in the ear. That's where AirPods always shine at. Props. When you put them in, you forget they're in. Like, you could just keep them in there. They don't bug you or nothing. Nice little look side to side and straight on. That's what I like about the AirPods. They're so light. They feel so good. Now, when it comes to everyone's getting used to noise canceling and stuff like I did. Like, we have a lot of earbuds on this channel, and I got so used to the noise canceling. It's just, these really don't block out a lot of stuff. I've noticed that right away, because normally I test these out when I hit the street at my job, and I can hear so much going on, and it's been so long since I had that. So I wish these had a noise canceling feature that I can turn off or whatever, like the AirPod 2s, but you don't. They go in your ear, and whatever these block out, that's all that's blocking out. So that's one of my disappointments when it came to these. I got used to noise canceling, what can I say? So the AirPods, basically the battery life, you're looking at 6 hours is what they say. I got about like 5 hours-ish, or probably a little bit under 5, something like that. And then you get 24 hours in the case. So 6 hours in the AirPods, and then 24 hours in the case. So you get 30 hours overall, enough for a whole day. You could use them in mono, one at a time, and you'll have no problem. One issue that I had that was kind of annoying throughout my 2 weeks or whatever testing these was the 2 or 3 times where the right earbud would not work during a call. So I can only hear it on my left one, and then I hang up the phone really quick and right away go back into listen to music. They'll both work. And then when I go right back into a call, only the left one will work again. It was so frustrating. And then the next day they'll just both work no problem. So that was annoying. I don't know if it's just mine, but that happened to me 2 or 3 times within my 2 weeks of doing the review. I couldn't find the water resistance on these. They're probably IPX4 or something, because I know they're sweat and just rain resistant. So you're gonna be fine if you do that. You might get lucky, you might end up leaving them in your pocket when you wash, and they'll still be good. I think that happened to my sister, and her AirPods still work. So you'll be good with that. So IPX4, that's what I'm guessing, or 5. And of course they got the little Apple technology in these, so that means it'll switch between your MacBook, your phone, your iPad really quick. It'll switch to any of those Apple products really fast. You won't have any problems with those. So that's another good thing about these AirPods. And I think also the new Dre Beats have the Apple chip in them as well, which will do the same thing and connect to Apple stuff really quick. So now we're getting to the sound quality of these. You're getting that typical Apple AirPods sound. It sounds really clean, sounds clear. There's nothing that hurts your ears. No hi-hats, no S's, loud vocals, none of that. It sounds good. The mids sound good, and then you get a decent bass. The bass is not the best. We've had better earbuds with better bass on this channel, but one thing I was kind of disappointed in is the volume doesn't seem the loudest either. So now I don't have noise canceling, and the volume's not the loudest. I just feel like that's what's letting all the sound come through when I want to block stuff out. So it's good that it's not super loud, because that's how you can hurt your ears, but I like to have the option to turn the earbuds down myself, so they're not the loudest. It kind of seems like the same volume as the first AirPods, so it's kind of disappointing. That's was one thing I was disappointed with, not the sound quality, just the sound volume, because I'm a person that likes loud volume, and if I don't have noise canceling, give me the option to turn the volume down, give me a louder earbud and stuff. So I would definitely say I personally like the Beats Studio Buds, the little ones, not the ones with the wingtips that just came out, but those were a better option than these to me. But yeah, that was one thing I was disappointed in, was the volume, but because the sound quality, all that's fine. I like the feel of it, everything. Just the Apple style, it's good. It's Apple. So if this is something you're looking at, you don't have your earbuds blasting loud anyway, and you don't want noise canceling, then this is a perfect earbud for you. But for me, there's other options out there that I would look at before getting these. I feel like they just were like, it's Apple, it's AirPod, they'll buy it. And so here you go. And if you want to see some of those other earbuds I think that are really good, you can click one of these videos right here and check them out yourself. But there you have it, buds. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. To all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.